Hi, I'm Katie Siskind. I run Wisdom Within Counseling, where we help anxious children, depressed teenagers, and distant couples thrive. You can read more at wisdomwithinct.com. This video will give you 3 tips for managing your family when there is a time of chaos, transition, separation, or divorce. A lot of times, children will develop anger outbursts, tearfulness, low self-esteem, maybe even some anxiety behaviors like skin picking, nail biting, or even OCD, like washing hands too much. Teenagers, when it comes to divorce, may develop withdrawal. So your teenager might have been really bubbly or outgoing or creative and really a good friend to others, and now your teenager is just like in their room, not coming down for food, just not really connected. So a lot of times when a family goes through divorce, there are a variety of different experiences and behaviors, concerning behaviors that children and teens may experience. As well, for yourself as a parent, if you're going through a divorce, it is so important to have your own safe place to process what you're feeling, calmly communicate with your soon-to-be ex, and know how to just reassure your children when they need that support emotionally. So tip number 1, as much pain and hurt and betrayal and jealousy as you may feel as a parent, avoid talking badly about your child's other parent. What this does is it causes a triangulation. In family therapy, this puts tension on the child. So if your parent speak neutrally or don't say anything at all, if you have negative feelings, maybe your partner cheated on you and there's a lot of pain and hurt there, try to share that with your therapist versus sharing that with your child, because you want to make sure your child has a clear mind to be able to transition home smoothly. Tip number 2, get your child a therapist. A therapist is not a bad thing. It's a great thing for your child to build emotional expression skills, social skills, and realize that other children are going through the same thing they're going through. Your child's therapist can help improve their self-esteem by reading books and incorporating child-centered play therapy around your divorce. Tip number 3 is to realize that it's okay to get divorced. A lot of times families experience internalized shame and internalized criticism because there's this fear around divorce. And divorce doesn't have to be conflictual, it doesn't have to be messy, and it doesn't have to be awful. It can be a very clean and calm process when the right supports are in place emotionally. A divorce doesn't have to be a failure of a marriage or make you feel like you're a failure. A divorce can simply just be 2 people, splitting ways and managing parenting in a whole different way. So remember that when you get divorced, a lot of times your own traumas can come up. So it's important to be able to process those in therapy. And a family therapist is a great place to do that. So if you have an anxious child, a depressed teen, you're divorced and really looking for a safe place to express yourself emotionally and to feel nurtured and to have a sense of reassurance that you're doing the right thing, therapy can be a great place to do that. So we offer holistic counseling, art, yoga, music, outdoor walking sessions, all to build a positive coping skill toolbox and connection to your mind, body, and spirit. So you can book a free phone consult to get started at wisdomwithinct.com. That's wisdomwithinct.com. I look forward to talking with you on the phone.